Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video, we will be making a herbal shampoo for our hair. Now in this season, the regular shampoos that we use throughout the year can feel a bit stripping on our hair, and in between hair washes, if you feel that your hair is getting really dirty, like on the third, fourth day, then you can use this herbal shampoo on your hair, because this shampoo isn't that much stripping like your regular shampoos on your hair, and it is just perfectly capable of cleansing your hair, and it's also really easy to make at home, and you can store it as well. So if you guys want to know how to make this shampoo, then continue watching.
To make the herbal homemade shampoo, here are the ingredients that we're gonna need. The first and the main ingredient of the shampoo is Rita. Then we will need some dried amla. Also we will need shikakai and some methi. So the key ingredient of the shampoo is Rita. Here is what the dried Rita fruit looks like, and Rita is the soaping agent of the shampoo, so we cannot skip using Rita for our shampoo. The second important ingredient for the shampoo is shikakai, and these two are the most important ingredient that we must use to make the shampoo. Amla, dried amla and methi are optional. You can use them or you can skip them. Here I have added all the ingredients together, and with this I'm gonna add 2 glasses of water, and I'm gonna let it soak overnight, and next day I'm gonna use the water as a shampoo to wash my hair. Next day, as you can see, the water has changed color, and also I have extracted the seeds of Rita and shikakai. Now I'm going to transfer this entire mixture to another container, and I'm going to put it on gas. And with the mixture also, I'm going to add some flax seeds to add some conditioning benefits with the shampoo. I'm going to bring the mixture to a boil, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to let it cool down completely. Once the mixture comes down to room temperature, using my hand, I'm gonna mash the Rita, amla and the shikakai so that I can get all the pulp out of it. And as you can see, it has already started bubbling up. Using a strainer, I'm gonna strain the shampoo, and next I will be transferring the shampoo to this bottle with this comb applicator so that it would be easier for me to apply it on my scalp and my hair. I'm gonna apply the shampoo on my dry scalp, and I haven't applied any oil before using the shampoo. As this is a herbal homemade shampoo, I don't think it will be able to take off any oil. If we apply any oil externally on our scalp, I don't think the shampoo would be able to take that off, but it is perfectly capable of getting any dirt or the natural oils that your scalp produces from your scalp and cleanse your hair nicely. Also, please remember that this shampoo won't foam up, so just apply it like applying any oil on your scalp and massage it for some time. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off. The presence of the natural surfactant called saponin makes Rita an amazing natural cleanser. It removes dirt, grime and build-up easily from scalp. It causes no irritation to the scalp, but be careful while using it, because if it gets inside the eyes, it can cause burning sensation. Regular use of Rita adds shine to the hair and brings it back to its natural texture because of the cleansing property. Regular use of Rita helps to get rid of dandruff. Shikakai nourishes the scalp as well as the hair roots and helps with the dryness and itchiness of the scalp. It adds strength to the hair and makes hair healthy, soft and lustrous. Amla keeps scalp healthy and helps with the functionality of hair cells. Both hair loss and premature graying come under control with regular use of amla. The shampoo cleansed my hair really nicely, and it didn't dry out my hair at all. Obviously, my hair wasn't feeling soft and smooth like other hair washes because I didn't use any conditioner or hair mask after using the shampoo, but the shampoo did add some volume to my hair.
I used the dried raw fruits of Reetha, Amla, Shikakai to make the shampoo, but if you don't have those ingredients available to you, then you can also use the powder forms of these ingredients as well. They work the same way. The only thing that you need to keep in mind if you are using the powders to make the shampoo is that you need to filter it really well after making the shampoo, because when you use the powders on your hair, they tend to leave behind some residue on your hair. I have used the powders before on my hair, so I know that they leave behind some residue and we don't want that. So if you are using the powders to make the shampoo, make sure that you filter it at least 5 to 6 times with a really nice cloth or something like that. So that was it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used this herbal shampoo before. I know it's a really common and really widely used Indian recipe for hair care. So let me know in the comments down below if you have used this herbal shampoo on your hair before and what are your thoughts about it. And if you haven't used it before, if you're gonna use it on your hair now. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.